To me, being able to experience the outdoors and being out there first thing in the morning and seeing the sunrise, seeing the day start, having all those different sounds, from the wind to the movement of branches to the balancing your footsteps through the grass. It just connects you with nature, and to me, I mean, that's part of my existence, and it's something that I've done with my dad since I was 5 years old. Everybody's got their favorite thing in the world, and to me, I can go outside for an hour and smell the trees and hear all these sounds, and I just feel like I'm a whole brand new person afterward. And this allows me to where I can still continue and do those things that I love and have done my entire life.